Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, naglabas na ng statement ang kampo ng biological mother ni Chloe San Jose, girlfriend ni Carlos Yulo. Sa pamamagitan ng legal team sa tulong ng Balita website, sinabi ng abogado ng ina ni Chloe San Jose na si Marie San Jose. Wala pa man umano ang relasyon ni Chloe kay Carlos ay hindi na daw talaga maganda ang relasyon nilang mag-ina ni Chloe. Yun ay dahil sa pagiging strict mother ni Marie kay Chloe noong minor pa ito. At gusto lang naman daw ni Marie na palakihin si Chloe San Jose nang naaayon sa Filipino values. Kahit sa Australia sila nakatira, ngunit ayaw daw ni Chloe ng ganong pamamalakad. Kaya naman nagkaroon ng tampuhan ang mag-ina. Bukod sa issue ay wala na umanong ipinagmulan ang tampuhan nila ni Chloe. Pinabulaanan din ni Marie ang mga naglalabasan ngayon na may anak na si Chloe. Ayon sa legal counsel ni Marie ay hindi totoong may anak na si Chloe. Ang nakikita umano na bata na kasama ni Chloe ay ang nakababatang kapatid nito. Paglilinaw ng kampo ng ina ni Chloe, hindi siya OFW. Australian citizen umano siya at nagtatrabaho siya bilang caregiver. Hindi din daw totoo na nakulong o nakakulong siya tulad ng pinalalabas ng ilang balita. Tungkol naman sa issue ngayon ni Chloe San Jose sa pamilya ni Carlos Yulo, ayon pa rin sa legal counsel ni Marie, ayaw na umano niyang magbigay pa ng komento hinggil dito dahil nasa tamang edad naman na umano si Chloe. Ang tanging gusto lang daw talaga sana ni Marie San Jose kaya siya naglabas ng statement ay ang itigil na ang pagpapakalat ng maling impormasyon hinggil sa kanya. Dahil gusto na umano niyang mabalik ang kanyang pribadong pamumuhay kasama ang bagong pamilya nito. Nilinaw din ng kampo ni Marie na walang kahit anong kasong isinampa laban sa kanya ni Chloe at maging siya laban sa kanyang sariling anak. Chloe was born in the Philippines on March 21, 2002 and left for Australia with my client on 2013. Obtained an Australian citizenship on February 2020. My client, Marie, raised Chloe on her own. The biological father whom Chloe only met last year again after being in Australia since 2013. My client got married in Australia and that is the reason why Chloe and her sister were able to migrate to Australia. It is true even before Carlos and Chloe met, my client Marie and Chloe already were having a difficult relationship due to the difference of ideas regarding parenting over than the minor Chloe. The gap started as I said, Chloe was a minor then. A few years before reaching 18 years old, she was insisting on her way and my client retaining her Filipino values, being a protective mother and having the best interest of Chloe in mind, did not agree. Consequently, the frequent clash of ideas led to the gap. Regarding the alleged case filed by Chloe against my client is not true. Chloe did not file any case against my client. Marie, her mother, for the longest time decided to keep quiet to keep the peace and not to be dragged into the issues. However, due to the multitude of posts that contain misinformation and images of her minor children being posted online without her consent, has deeply troubled and affected her and her family emotionally. We cannot comment on the matter since Chloe was already an adult during that time, and it's between Chloe and the family of Carlos Yulo. And since, as mentioned above, my client had limited interaction with Chloe this past few years. Chloe does not have a baby as far as we know, and the picture that is spreading stating that it's Chloe's alleged baby is actually her younger brother. My client is doing this not for attention, money, clout, or likes, but primarily to set the facts straight, so there will be no more false news about the matter, and that my client and her family can go back to living peacefully and continue on with their private life. Can only speak for my client, but any defamatory content against my client and her family or pictures of her minor children that is posted online without her consent will be dealt with accordingly with the full force of the law. Chloe thought she found a kindred spirit with Kaloy, kaya naman gusto talaga niya parehas sila ni Kaloy na sira ang pamilya. Target his innocence and vulnerability habang ang lahat ay busy fighting under Team Nanay or Team Kaloy. The real culprit is laughing all the way to the bank. Widen the rift, solo the gold. I really can't believe na after all, that's been publicized hindi pa rin mabasa ng mga iba dyan ang totoong kulay ni Chloe. Mga mahihinang nilalang. Sana gets yun na yung attorney. Napakalinaw, even the biological mother, kinakalaban ni Chloe. Kaya what do you expect na magandang bagay dyan? Kaya good luck Carlos, pakasal ka sa Australia na magkaalaman few years from now. Uuwi ka sa pamilya mo na luhaan. Pati nanay nagsalita na, di talaga good terms sa nanay si Goldie. Gusto niya mangyari din kay Kaloy yung nangyari sa kanya. Damay-dabay na to sa karma, ika nga. Naawa ko kay Carlos Yulo kasi sa nangyayari parang baliwala yung karangalan na natanggap niya para sa Pilipinas. Masyado kasing maraming nagdudunong-dunungan sa SOCMED. Hindi naman lubusang alam kung ano talagang totoong pangyayari between Carlos and her mother. Masyado nang humaba ang issue. Nanay din ako at nasasaktan ako sa nangyari sa kanilang mag-ina. Pero sana tama na. Bilang di naman natin kaano-ano ang Yulo family, sana bigyan naman natin sila ng katahimikan. Sila lang naman ang makakapag-ayos kung anumang problema meron sila. Sana hayaan na natin silang mag-heal pare-pareho. Darating din ang panahon para magkaayos sila at yun ay kung mananahimik na ang mga sausawera at sausawero. Kung mababasa nyo yung statement ng attorney ng nanay niya, iba talaga Chloe. Ultimo nga nanay niya, di sila magkasundo. Kumbaga para siyang suwael na anak. Kaya pala ganyan nga siya masyadong palaban. Wala ho kampe sa girlfriend o sa magulang ni Carlos. Pero naku po, mag-isip-isip ka Carlos. Sana hindi pa huli ang lahat bago ka bumalanse sa girlfriend mo at sa pamilya mo.